This video is sponsored by Slikhaarshop.com. Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Mikkel and Mette. So, what are we gonna cut today?
We're going to cut his sides very short, and then we're going to make like a quiff, more like textured and lots of volume.
Are you up for it, Mikkel? Hell yeah. Okay, let's get to it.
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind. And ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby. Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind. And ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love blind. And ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Now we're done with the hairstyle, so Mikkel, do you like it?
Yeah, it's really great.
What did you do with it?
I cut 9mm on the sides and then kept the length on the top, made a side cut on both sides. Then I used the neon foam and the Revolution wax in the end.
Which you can get on Slikhaar Shop. But first, we like to know what you think about the hairstyle. Write in the comment section down below, like the video, and be a subscriber. And you can be a part of the secret giveaway. See you guys next time.